We're here at Class Park in St. Louis County on Blue Switch Day, and we're going to go after a geocache or two. Well, that was a tough climb in. Just catching my breath, and I think we may have spotted a geocache. And there it is. Not too sure how to open this one. Yeah, there it is. Nice container. Looks like it's got a nice log in there as well. And here we are on the big Blue Switch Day, May the 2nd, 2021. Nice container, double container to protect it from the weather. Get it all back in place, so why don't you come and get it? It's classed as a park, but the trails are quite overgrown, and I'm just wandering around. Hopefully when I make this second find I can make my way back to the car. Let's check this tree out over here. Well, I came deep into the woods checking that tree out because it looked suspicious, but I think the holes are on that tree base are made by animals and not geocaches. I think I may have spotted it. That's quite far from the golf course. And there's the geocache container. I'm crouched down because there are so many low branches. And a bit of a backache, but we'll get this lock signed, and it'll be our second cache on this big Blue Switch Day. Guess we're back in the cache, and there seems to be a little bit of swag in here. Nice little plastic car for somebody who's interested. A very soggy dinosaur and some very rusty jewelry. If you haven't got time to go to New Orleans, come and get yourself some beads. All good to go? Why don't you come and get this one? Surely there's an easier way out. How come there's never a path in, but there's always a path out? Wow, I found my car.